Okay, so I finally did it. I finally got my Puffco Peak Pro Daybreak. This is my first one ever, and I've literally wanted one for the longest time. So when I saw this color combo, how it's red to yellow to gold even, I just had to have it. It's giving those fire, ombre vibes that I just love, and it's limited edition. When I first opened the box, there's this little instruction card. It's nothing too fancy, really not as many instructions as I thought it would have, but there's a QR code for more. And it comes with this case, which is really nice. So inside the case, it has the charging cable, some cotton swabs. This is how you're supposed to clean it. And it also has the cute little dab tool that says Puffco on it. I love that they included this. And when I pulled out the actual piece, oh my goodness, it's so much prettier in person. I did a full little 360 just to show you. And then when the glass hits the light, you can see it really sparkle. So first, I had to go ahead and take off this sticker. This is where you put the water into. You're supposed to put it when it's detached and then put it back on. And there's another little sticker in here. This piece is really pretty. I love how it's gold. A lot of the videos I was watching online made this seem a lot more complicated than it was, but really it's so easy. So I have everything put together. Really, it comes with everything you need. You don't need anything more, but I did opt in for the hot knife. I'm going to show you that in just a second. It goes very well with this color scheme. And just look how pretty it is. That's the power button in the back. The only other thing that I'd say could make this a little bit better is if there's a way that you could clearly see the battery level. Not saying there needs to be a touch screen, but maybe a little 3-light indicator, something that gives you a warning before it's about to die. Because that's the last thing you want, is to want to go ahead and use it, and you need to charge it first. But here's the hot knife. I thought it honestly looked better than the picture. The hot knife itself is also USB-C, and it comes with its own little charging cable. It also comes with its own little instructions. These instructions are very simple. Really, you just scoop up and then you hold the button until it melts off. And it's super simple to clean and store. Here's the shot I used with my macro lens. Look how pretty it is going down. This is a must-have piece. If you have a way to still get your hands on it, I would. You don't want to sleep on these limited edition drops, especially from Puffco.